A very good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome back to your science class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Yes or no? As you know, we have completed the explanation part of lesson 14. So, do you remember the things whatever we have discussed in this lesson? Okay, no problem. As usual, we will have a quick recap on the things we discussed in previous classes. In the beginning, we had a short introduction of the Earth. Then we talked what is atmosphere, what is space weather, what is GPS, day and night, rotation of the Earth, revolution of the Earth, and speed of Earth's revolution. Now you remember these are the things we discussed? Yes, very good. Now let me tell you the things we will discuss in today's class. आज के क्लास में हम क्या डिस्कस करेंगे? Answer key of the worksheet of page number 115. Answer key of the exercise question number 1 and 2. Explanation of the questions and answers of the exercise question number 3 and 4, and answer key of the higher order thinking skills. So let's start with the answer key of the worksheet of page number 115, and as I tell you the answers, you please match it out with your answers. Okay? Question number 1. Name the following. A natural thing. Water. You can write any other thing also, like soil, rock, which are natural you can write. Okay. A man-made thing obtained from animals. So I have written here shoes. Okay. You can write any other answer. No problem. Third, a natural material obtained from the earth. Coal. Fourth, a natural thing used to make glass. Sand. And the last one, a man-made thing obtained from plants. Paper. Have you completed? Very good. Now let's move on to the second question. Answer the following questions. First, name a gas present in the air. So I have written here oxygen. You can write carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Those also will be correct. Second, what changes water into water vapor? Heat of the sun changes water into water vapor. Third question, which gas do plants use to make their own food? So the answer is, plants use carbon dioxide to make their own food. Question number 4. Which gas from the air is used by most living things? So, answer is oxygen is used by most living things. Last, do plants clean air? Yes, plants clean air by absorbing carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. This is how plants clean air. Next question, question number 6. Is air needed for burning things? Answer is yes, air is needed for burning things. Seventh question, from where does the fish obtain oxygen? Fish get oxygen dissolved in water. तो वाटर में जो ऑक्सीजन रहता है फिश उसी को यूज करते हैं. ओके. 8th क्वेश्चन, डू मोटर व्हीकल्स pollute air? Yes, we all know motor vehicles pollute air. वो एयर को गंदा करते हैं मोटर व्हीकल्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट 9th, do factories produce harmful gases? Yes, factories also produce harmful gases. Can polluted air make us sick? Yes, Polluted air can make us sick. Polluted air हमको बीमार कर सकते हैं. Next question, question number 11. Which are the three main seasons? The answer is summer, rainy and winter are the three main seasons. Next, question number 12. What makes the days warm in summer? We all know the answer. Yes, heat of the sun makes the days warmer in summer. तो सूरज का जो हीट है उसके कारण समर में जो डेज है वो बहुत गर्म होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट 13 नंबर क्वेश्चन. व्हाट मेक्स द वेदर कोल्ड इन विंटर? आंसर इज लेस हीट फ्रॉम द सन रीचेस अ रीजन इन विंटर व्हिच मेक्स द वेदर कोल्ड. तो विंटर में क्या होता है, हीट जो है सन का वो बहुत कम पहुंचते हैं रीजन तक. दैट इज व्हाई द वेदर बिकम्स कोल्ड. नेक्स्ट 14 नंबर क्वेश्चन. इन व्हिच सीजन डू वी वेयर कॉटन क्लॉथ्स? कॉटन क्लॉथ्स हम कब पहनते हैं? यस, वी वेयर कॉटन क्लॉथ इन समर. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन 15 नंबर. What kind of cloth do we wear in winter? Winter में हम कौन सा टाइप के क्लॉथ पहनते हैं? Yes, the answer is we wear woolen cloths in winter. Now let us move forward for the answer key of the exercises of lesson number 14. Similarly, as I tell you the answers, you have to match it out. Okay? Question number 1. Tick the correct options. The layer of air around the earth is called atmosphere. Very good. Second, the earth spins like a top on its axis. Third, the earth gets heat and light from the sun. Very good. Fourth, the half of the earth that faces the sun has day. The last question. The revolution of the earth causes seasons. And rotation के कारण क्या होता है, याद है क्या? Yes, दिन और रात होते हैं. Because of rotation, day and night. And revolution के कारण seasons. Next, second question. Tick the true statements and cross the false ones. तो जो सही है उसको टिक करना है, जो गलत है उसे क्रॉस करना है. So first one. The earth is made up of land and water. Yes, exactly, it is correct. That is why I put a tick. Next, air is everywhere around us. Yes, it is also correct. Next, third one. The earth takes 24 days to complete one rotation. No, it is absolutely wrong because the earth takes 24 hours. Fourth question. The path taken by the earth as it moves around the sun is called its axis. No, it is wrong. That is called orbit. Next, fifth one. Earth's rotation causes seasons. No, it is also false because rotation के कारण day and night होता है. Okay? Have you completed? Question number 3. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First, what is the earth made up of? Already we came to know the answer. Yes or no? The earth is made up of land, water and air. Second question. What is atmosphere? That also we know. Yes, the layer of air around the earth is called atmosphere. Third question. What causes seasons on the earth? Answer. The revolution of the earth around the sun causes seasons on the earth. Fourth question. What causes day and night on the earth? Yes, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. So again I am repeating. Rotation के कारण दिन और रात होता है और रिवोल्यूशन के कारण सीजन्स होते हैं. ओके, Question number 5. What is the Earth's orbit? The answer: the Earth moves around the Sun in a definite path, and this path is called the Earth's orbit. तो जो definite path में अर्थ घूमते हैं सन के चारों तरफ, that definite path is known as the Earth's orbit, and this is imaginary. Okay, it is not present in reality. Now let's move to the long questions. Question number 4. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. First, why is the Earth also called the blue planet? तो अर्थ को ब्लू प्लैनेट भी बोला जाता है. Why? What is the reason? The answer is the Earth has more water than land. Hence, it is called the blue planet. तो अर्थ में लैंड के मुकाबले वाटर ज्यादा है. Okay, that is why the Earth is called blue planet. Second question, how are day and night caused on the Earth? तो डे एंड नाइट कैसे होता है अर्थ में? So the answer, the movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. तो एक्सिस के ऊपर अर्थ टॉप के जैसा घूमते हैं, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? रोटेशन बोलते हैं. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and this rotation of the Earth causes day and night. तो वन रोटेशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है अर्थ को? 24 hours, and this rotation के कारण ही डे एंड नाइट होते हैं. Now next question, define the terms rotation and revolution. So the answer is, the movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. तो रोटेशन किसे हम बोलते हैं? अर्थ टॉप के जैसा अपने एक्सिस के ऊपर घूमते हैं. That movement is known as rotation, and the movement of the Earth around the Sun in an orbit is called revolution. So the movement around the Sun, सन के चारों तरफ जब अर्थ घूमते हैं ऑर्बिट के ऊपर, that movement is known as revolution. Okay, last question, how long does the Earth take to complete one rotation and one revolution? तो कितना टाइम लगता है अर्थ को वन रोटेशन एंड वन रेवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए? The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation and 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution around the sun. तो एक रोटेशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए अर्थ को 24 आवर्स लगते हैं, और एक रेवोल्यूशन मतलब वन राउंड, एक राउंड सन का चक्कर काटने में कितना टाइम लगता है? 365 and 1/4 days. Okay? Now let us talk about higher order thinking skill. What if the sun did not produce light and heat? Tick the correct answer. तो लाइट और हीट अगर सन प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता तो क्या होता? तो जो सही है उसमें टिक लगाना है, जो गलत है उसको क्रॉस करना है. फर्स्ट, देयर वुड बी नो डे और नाइट ऑन द अर्थ. करेक्ट, अगर लाइट ही नहीं होता तो दिन रात कुछ नहीं होता. सेकेंड, द अर्थ वुड बी अ वेरी कोल्ड प्लेस. यस, हीट अगर नहीं होगा तो अर्थ बहुत ठंड प्लेस होता. यस. Next, third one, all the water on the earth would become ice. तो जो वाटर अर्थ में है वो सब आइस बन जाता. Yes, it is also correct. Third, there would be no plants or animals on the earth. तो अर्थ में प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स कुछ नहीं होता, क्योंकि प्लांट्स अगर नहीं होगा तो एनिमल्स भी नहीं होगा. और प्लांट्स क्यों नहीं होगा? क्योंकि लाइट नहीं होगा तो प्लांट्स अपना खाना नहीं बना सकते हैं. सो हाउ देयर विल बी प्लांट्स? नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट, देयर वुड बी एनिमल्स बट नो प्लांट्स ऑन द अर्थ. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? प्लांट्स नहीं होगा तो एनिमल्स भी नहीं होगा. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज रॉन्ग. दैट इज व्हाई आई पुट क्रॉस देयर. हैव यू कंप्लीटेड एवरीवन? वेरी गुड. So thank you very much all the students. Take care of yourself and be safe. As usual, you will get homework on WhatsApp. Bye bye.